So what we have done so far, we have updated our master image as per the requirement, and now we have to update the end user virtual machines from that master image. So we have selected the correct master image, and here we are on rollout strategy. So the option we have selected as per our requirement and simply click on next. But before clicking on next, let me log into VDI so that you can see. Mhm. Okay, wrong backslash. So for an example, let me launch end user VDI. So right now our user is connected to the VDI and we are releasing the update, right? So user is working whatever he is doing, right? So session is connected. Now
Yeah, yeah.
we have selected that option, like we have selected the immediate one, and 1 minute before user will get this kind of message. Simply click on next and click on finish. If user connects to a machine while updating, the user will be disconnected. Perfect. Click on close. Now it is processing the thing and our user is connected. So user will get notification in some time to log off the machine or whatever the message we have entered over there. So that green mark, it is processing that green signal you are getting over here now. It is just the
Mm.
process, like how it is processing. So basically, in the backend, what it is doing, it is simply copying the current snapshot of the master image. Okay, then it will push that snapshot or the current state of the master image into the virtual machines.
Okay.
Hmm. Okay, it's almost done. So for an example, like if you have to, uh, patch your device for the security updates, right? For an example, you are running on a Windows Server or Windows 10, whatever the KB article is there, right? The latest one. So what you have to do, you have to simply open up the master image and you have to search for the available KB updates from the Microsoft, and you can directly install all those updates in master image, and from that master image you can update all the machine catalogs as we have done for this single application. Whatever the security updates you have to perform on your master image first.
Yeah.
And in the meantime, if you go to the logging now, you will find what I am doing means whatever our engineers are doing. I'm updating the image, right? Then I updated one application, right? So all those kind of logs you will get over there. It is okay. I think copy has been done now. Now it will push into the machine catalogs. You can see the message
Yeah.
and simply click user will click OK, or user will log off, or machine itself it will automatically log off. Okay. And sometimes it is not actually required to reboot the virtual machines for the applications like Notepad or any other basic application, right? These can be updated without reboot itself. And if actually a reboot is required for security update or for some bulky application, in that case it will reboot. Otherwise, it will simply log off the end user and update the machines. So let's see for Notepad what it will do. In the meantime, if you go to the logging part from here, like you can see the today task, whatever the task I performed. I created two application along with the username and start date and time you will find along with the status. So if something went wrong, right? Like if any of your engineer performed some wrong operation, so you can check out the logs from that window. And if I click on that, that particular activity, the update image, so you will find the steps here, like whatever it is doing, updating provisioning scheme, start reboot cycle, okay, then HR desktop, whatever the activity with the status, you will find the complete sequence here for that particular activity, like whatever it is doing, it is here. In the same way, when you click on the click application, so you can see I created a second icon, then I created this one, Kingsoft Writer, then icon 3, then Google Chrome. So, and for an Amazon, what we have done, we have created icon, then added application from Chrome to Amazon Chrome. So those kind of logs you can easily find. So you can see like that end user session is disconnected and it might be rebooting the machine. Yes. And after reboot, that Notepad++, it will be there in this machine.
Okay.
So I think reboot is done now. But when user is not be able to launch that machine, why? Because if I go to the studio console now, to the machine catalog, those two virtual machines are there in this catalog, and right now it is first machine, it is power on and it is initializing the registration process. Means it is not registered with a delivery controller right now. So once it will be done, user can access the machine. Our second machine is unregistered. Why? Because it is powered off right now. Okay, now this machine is registered with our delivery
Yeah.
controller. Now user can access. So this time notepad it should be there. Why? Because we perform that activity. So you can see the new application is available now in all of the virtual machines. Is it clear how to update the machines or images as per the requirement?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so I think I have done with today's topic, like to test up the deployment, and we have seen how to update the virtual machines from the master image or how to modify the master image. So that thing is done now. Now what we will do from tomorrow onwards, we will work on the upgradation part. Okay, like from current version, whatever the version we have here, like about the studio, right? We are running on 2106, right?
Yeah.
And what we will do, we will try to upgrade this to the latest one. Okay, whatever, I will download a new version from the Citrix website. Okay, and I will keep that ISO file so that we can perform the update part. Okay, means we are not going to update our VDI. VDI will be same as it is, but we will update your infra to the latest available release. Okay.
Okay.
Okay then. Thank you. Bye. Have a nice day. We'll connect tomorrow.
Okay. And no, no, no. This one. See. See for. Okay. Upgrade we will do. Okay. But I think what was I was trying to what I was trying to do. It is still not done.
Which
So
one?
the DC I was trying to create.
Mm-hmm. This one you have created too, or what? This one?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me check. What exact issue you are facing over here?
See, after installing, the core components,
Mm-hmm.
I'm not able. The studio was not opening. I waited for a long time, and then after that,
Mm-hmm.
I saw this one is down there. What do you say? Internet is not there, and I thought that's the reason it is
No,
not
no, no,
showing
no.
up. It is not
Internet,
able to complete.
internet, it is not an issue. Why? Because it is running on local area network. No? We are not taking it over the internet, so internet was not an issue. Okay, so let me try
Okay.
to. Let me shut down this machine to now you will see like what I did. I have turned off my delivery controller, right? But
Mm.
the beauty is that my end user is still connected and he can work. And like our
Okay.
multiple components are down for now. Why? In DC, we have configured SQL Server, Studio, Director, each and everything was there, right? But session is still
Mm.
connected. Why? Because our storefront is up. Okay. So for an example, let me shut down storefront as well. So let me shut down storefront. Perfect. So my major components are
Yeah.
down, right?
Yeah.
But still end user is connected. So there will be no impact on existing running session when users are connected until and unless this user log off manually. Okay. Once that user is logged off now, user will not be able to connect again. Why? Because my store is down. If I refresh this page, it will you will get some error like site is not accessible or something like that. Why? Because my storefront server is down. Means no new user will be able to connect, but there will be no impact on the existing running sessions. Okay. So you can see the error that site is down. So let's come to your give me a minute. That call is disconnected. Okay. Hello. Hmm.
Hello.
Good morning.
Hello. Hello.
Hmm. Yeah, hi, buddy. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, so let me open up the studio here. Where is that studio?
No, I removed that. I removed that entire server and then started doing it once again.
Mm-hmm.
Mm. Now I think I have mounted this. Now we'll have to install, I think.
Okay, so that installation, it will be time consuming. So what I will do,
Yeah,
I am
I'll take it from
initializing
there.
the
Yeah,
installation and you have to take a remote. Okay. It will
yeah,
prompt
yeah.
you to reboot the server somewhere around like SQL server after SQL installation. Okay. So please
Mhm.
reboot and log in again with same credential and you have nothing to do. It will automatically reinitiate the installation. Okay. Just
Hello.
complete that activity and after that if you are unable to launch the studio,
So
na,
Rayan
just
से और एक बार बात हुई और he says yeah,
mm-hmm,
3 days per week it is.
mm-hmm. What is that?
हाँ, 2 hours का है. As it speak, it is 3 days per week बोल रहा है, but इसमें ना 2-2 week का बोल 2-2 hours का भी है. वो क्लैरिटी वो प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर ही दे सकती है शायद. नो, ऐसे 2-2 hour के लिए कौन काम कर सकता है? पता नहीं. एंड पता नहीं प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर का काम ज्यादा कैसे रहेगा 24 hours का. वी आर नॉट ओके. क्या करें पता नहीं. एंड मैं लिंडन से भी बात कर रहा था. वो बोलता है वो वो ब्लू स्कोप का वो